Welcome to the Vocab School by Manu and Tinku. Our aim is to enhance your English vocabulary by introducing one new word daily. Let's see what word we are learning today. Word of the day is resilient. In this video we will learn its origin, form, literal meaning and practical usage. Let the learning begin. Let us begin the video by discussing the origin of the word resilient. What do we know? The word resilient has Latin origins. It is derived from the Latin word resiliere, which means to rebound or to spring back. It is related to the concept of elasticity and the ability of something to return to its original shape or position after being stretched or compressed. We discuss origin to give maximum knowledge of the word we learn to our viewers. Now, resilient is an adjective. It is used to describe a person, thing, or system's ability to withstand or recover from challenges, adversity, shocks, or setbacks. For your knowledge, an adjective is a word naming an attribute of a noun. Moving on to the literal meaning of resilient. The literal meaning of resilient is having the quality of bouncing back or recovering quickly and effectively after being subjected to stress, pressure, or adversity. So we learned the origin, form and literal meaning of the word resilient. Do leave a comment if you have any question or advice for the Vocab School. Now it is time to learn the similar and opposite words for resilient. These are important words because they help us understand the word we learn and also add valuable words into our vocabulary. Some similar words for resilient are robust, tough, adaptable and sturdy. Some opposite words are fragile, vulnerable and brittle. Leave a comment if you know more words. Learning a word is incomplete if we do not know how to use it. So to learn the practical usage of the word, we will now use the word resilient in sentences. Here are some examples. Foam is resilient, keeps its shape and comes in a range of densities. Or, the tower is a resilient structure, designed to flex in high winds. Or, the fish are resilient to most infections. Thanks for watching. If you learned the word of the day, please do not forget it, like, comment, subscribe to the Vocab School and do follow us on Instagram and TikTok.